Marito Bito Morris Muteri, former MCA aspirant of Kisima Ward. Narua, and they got the concern Monona youth beto, Monomono, non to Bosia Sidi, and then the Kenya. Now they go brutal youth, going into Tuaga Comena. But we, and then they go to any Siasa Chon. I can't do to Robo is about to Quimena. Into Cambere, then I used to Mena at the Bukokomesha Jeton, Tomana Siasa, Teokoman Shanti to Tedeca. Bukovato, not to Siasa Chandegoro, the woman is a nice Siasa with a beggar. Only get a Kodia, I used to know Tomantrella, Zendana, Yamira, Zamoranga, the I negative of Randegoro, Nakomena, Imbio and Motopoina. Is as a cheto. Into Cambere, the Gorochin with policies. Let us venture on policies to many Bito Coenda, Canada to be standards. Canada 2022 to many Bito demand from our right readers. Not to get choose our leaders to many no record and not take the Puerto. Kento Cabiere, a Kenya, the Ijibatakomena, Siasa in Bio. Dengio, Kenya, Baraba Ingena Monomonova, Kisima Ward. Ito karente goroto mene imbi dore na tukoaga imbi atongere to bata to didiria na imbi enge to kana ku didirwa kera tomba demand from these people as we proceed to 2022 nara antorene antaba korera non to boy to taibangira ba to kita siasa ne 2017 na ikano to aire rum yake tano baraba to aire dinya da ito kare akumenyera to ka airu tu non to ta karante tu ibanga wega hi siasa kintu kambere da hizi mapema sana ya kuambia siasa. Ndipo kila mtu mwana watu raia wa kawaida tukwenda utedeka tukarende kurutu mwenye imbi tukwenda who is the right leader for us this time as the whole world, as the whole country, as the whole constituency, as the whole county kana naito menya inatwetete kintu kabire onde mutongeria na demo tongeria kwandira antu mantu za mega inkwenda kuria antu bonde itokarende tu na urumwe tukaenda kwathurano atongeria bakeja bakagita buria kwathukana kora ira na uhuru kutamanishire ati izu mwicho jwa antu ba ibezire kaire bakarande kuru na kwe muntu okwire no ntubara ira muntu akariuka na arware auga imbia thithagia 27 kwe bara bakwire no ntubara ira na whoever imbi bathithagia ko mwananchi wa kawaida no tukwimenya kai kanya getu ka kwimenya tumenye imbi tukugithia. Let us wait for everything in the government to anembi tukugithia. Whoever we have to support akeza na igitera siasa nikeza ni mapema sana kwambire gukua no ntubwa siasa ndimo tongeria o antobara bakisima ward na mtu kwenda kitende ndene kisima ward kuna mantirandi ngenda kwira ayuthi betu kintu kyambere ito to yantu bana standard tuingo to chieshimu na togeshimika da hizi siasa kai tukwambiria itakuwa mbimbi ya inezete of course tutijiri repercussions cha igeda chimbio lakini batu to ya youth tukada tukimenya mbimbi ya ire ekeza kana kare akweza kana wana siasa bakeza tukalimento yantu bena standards cheto na toe antu ba watanire kawaida onde ngenda kuria ayuthi ba Kenya na youth mono bakisima ward na bore constituency na Rambumite na dene Meru county batu ituimenye tukiambiria tumiro ne atongeriwa bongo bakeda bakimenya baba tantu bocheda nabo baba tantu bakwa iria shilingi 1,000 baba tantu bakwa iria shilingi 50 nyani ngono mbeje nkaba shilingi 50 but that does not mean that nkobotedia mutongerio ro mwega nura to watega to ne na policies